Welcome everybody, it's me, Tone My Gym Box, man. Today we're gonna be talking about cardio. Why? Because cardio is your best friend. Now let me tell y'all something. Lifting weights is good, but let me tell y'all one thing. Cardio is, I don't even hate to say it, but yeah, I'm gonna hate to say it because a lot of people don't want to do it. Cardio, I'd rather do cardio than lift weights. Yeah, I said it. Cardio, people do not want to do cardio. Let me tell y'all something. All you need to do is about 20 minutes of cardio and your heart rate don't even be that high. You don't even need to do fast cardio. Just get on the treadmill and walk for 20 minutes. Walk 20, 30 minutes. That's it. All you got to do. Or get on the Stairmaster and go real slow. I know a lot of people are not used to the Stairmaster, but to me, I think Stairmaster is the best way to lose fat. Cardio. When I first started, y'all, I didn't know nothing about lifting weights. You know what I mean? I had somebody to motivate me, an old head. Shout out to my homeboy Bruce. You know what I mean? He motivated me to go to the gym. He took me to the gym. I fell in love with it for the very first time. And y'all know what I did? He showed me a little bit about, lifting weights, how to do this and that. But you know what I did? I ran with what he told me and I started building and started learning. I started doing cardio. I was doing more cardio than anything. If y'all go on my Instagram, the link is in the description. Go on my Instagram and you will see like my old pictures. I did a little lifting, but I didn't know anything about lifting weights. So I did cardio and I ate right basically. Well, I did eat what I wanted at the time because I was in like my late 20s. And sorry about that ring. I was in my late 20s, but still, at the end of the day, my metabolism was still kind of high. So I'm letting y'all know, cardio is your best friend. Do cardio. I did cardio for, no lie, I did cardio for about a good 2-3 months without really lifting too much weight. I did lift weight, but I didn't know what I was doing. Dang, I'm not gonna even lie to you. I didn't know what I was doing. But I lost most of my weight doing cardio. Yep. I know a lot of people hate cardio. Please make cardio your best friend. I'm telling you, you need it. You gotta have it. Cardio is your best friend. I gotta have cardio because it burns fat. It burns fat quicker than lifting weights. Lifting weights is great, don't get me wrong, because you get the muscles and it looks good and it helps and all that. But you gotta have cardio at the end of the day. Even I learned a lot, with my competition. Man, you had to do a lot of cardio even before you got on stage. Okay, what you look like? All right, well, get on the treadmill and do some cardio the night before you lay down. Cardio is your best friend. You burn more. Cardio, getting in the sauna, sinks you in, gets you muscular, makes you look good, makes you look great. Even though I didn't know what I was doing back in the day. It looked like I had a big head and a small body, but I still had abs. I still had a little bit of muscles. I was skinny, but I still had more than a regular guy, than a ritual guy, you know what I mean? So make sure you make cardio your best friend. I'm telling y'all, you have to get in the habit. Discipline and sacrifice. Number one thing is your diet need to be right. And you can look at my video on the last one. I told y'all what I eat, and that's why I'm not even playing no games. That's what I eat. Do that. Cardio. You gotta have cardio. You gotta have cardio. If you work out 3 times out of the week, you need to add some cardio in there. Not just lifting weights. It's more than lifting weights when you're talking about losing weight. Your diet needs to be right. You gotta do cardio. I gotta have cardio every week. Even if I don't, let's say if I miss a week of lifting weights, I have to do cardio. I have to. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Because cardio, I know that cardio is gonna take that fat down, my fat percentage down. And that's all we aiming for, to have the fat percentage low. So y'all already know what it is. Do cardio. I lost so much weight within the first 30 to 90 days. People was trying to figure out, how did I lose weight so fast? You don't want to do like I did. Yeah, I jogged on the treadmill non-stop, which that means your heart rate is high, so you're gonna lose muscle too. I jog for a full hour. Anybody that knows me or went to the same gym that I went to, or they know that, man, that dude be on that treadmill he be jogging for a full hour. And that's what I did. I made sure when I went in the gym, I burned between 500 to 1,000 calories a day. A day, y'all. I don't even do that now. I go in there and do about, my body's so immune to it, so I had to start over. I had to transform my body, so now I'm doing 20 minutes. That's all I'm doing right now. I'm not even doing no more than that right now, because once your body get comfortable with something, then it gets comfortable, and then you don't see a change in your body. You get in your comfort zone and you just go plateau. So anyways, y'all already know what it is. Leave a comment. Look, if you don't learn anything else, what I say, make cardio your best friend. Cardio is your friend. I'm telling you, I'd rather do cardio. Look, I'd rather do cardio than lift weights. I said it. I'd rather do cardio than lift weights. Y'all already know what it is. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. I'm out.